Some women have healthy eggs, but they cannot conceive. But that doesn't mean they cannot become mothers or they cannot become parents. It's here where surrogacy plays an important role. Hello, I'm Dr. Arpita Sharma, Chief IVF Consultant, Chanitba IVF Center, Guwahati. So if you want to know more about surrogacy, who are the women that need surrogacy? Is surrogacy legal in India? How surrogacy is done? For all these questions to be answered, keep following our videos. We will be answering all these queries. Thank you.
Ka BJP Meghalaya kalapan pau ya kejing Sngew ba kejing penderam ke bajur halor kejing kren Sunil Deodhar ha kejing manishim banta ju ha Indigenous Faith Conference ke belalong hapenter. UMLA ke BJP uba HEK ula pensyai pat ba kejing kren Sunil Deodhar ke kejing kren Shimet ba kamdan banta AA ba kathong lani ke rukam perkhat jong keseng BJP. Ulitho bagi nongilam ki ba klia jong keseng BJP ha ke riru kele shimkhia halor kene kakam bat kila penderam jore kene kejing le jong u. Uba HEK ulapan pau panambar ba Sunil Deodhar umde udkhot jong BJP Meghalaya. Kesenja man lai ai persyayu kasyong hakti jong kinongelam jong seng BJP hakari berokawai. Uba HEK ulong bah kejela Meghalaya umji badan kejing Phah ban Kylla Niam. Ha kijaka pulie bat ulong badan bon ki skol ki college ba kijaka sumar. Ndrai 4 jio Sngew badan batang sisian ru badan ki badawa bade ban Kylla Niam Shuwa. Ula penderam bagalong ke babakla ban kentok persya ikan Niam kebano senyang shibun na kebenta kebahagamiat cuk imlang salang ha Meghalaya.
At a very short notice, we have been compelled to call this press conference urgently to address a malicious campaign that has been unleashed in social media against us, that means BJP Meghalaya, using Sunil Deodhar's unfortunate and meaningless statements as an excuse. We take this opportunity to make it amply clear that Sunil Deodhar has nothing to do with BJP Meghalaya. In fact, if you realize, not a single BJP leader from anywhere in the country has supported his statements. The contribution of the Christian community to the state of Meghalaya cannot be denied by anyone. Reverend Thomas Jones gave us a physical shape to our language by creating a script. The church, irrespective of denominations, set up education institutions that serve us even today, providing quality education at every nook and corner of the state. The church spread the message of Lord Jesus Christ in Meghalaya, asking us to love each other, which makes Meghalaya one of the most hospitable places in the country. Anyone who questions the contribution of the church to our society only proves himself to be ignorant, completely removed from reality, and worthy only of contempt. I would like to also put on record that our president, both our MLAs, had registered a strong protest with our central leadership, who agree that Sunil Deodhar's comments are disgusting to say the least. Mr. Deodhar was taken to task by the leadership team of Meghalaya and by our central team. We are certain that Sunil Deodhar by now regrets his thoughtless and tasteless words. I repeat, for it warrants repetition, that Sunil Deodhar has nothing to do with BJP Meghalaya, and as a party, we distance ourselves from his comments. We understand it has hurt our Christian brothers and sisters because it has hurt me, it has hurt our Honorable MLA, and as long as we are here, we will ensure that nothing can be allowed to go against the Christian community in particular, and also any other religion. Because as you know, in Meghalaya, we respect all religions.
So we condemn the statement given by the Sunil Deodhar recently in the village at East Khasi Hills district. As you have been witness, also we have seen also in the functioning in our state, Forget our state, even in our country also. But I just want to share with you, we have so many educational institutions, we have so many healthcare institutions where all the people from all caste, creed, and religion have been studying there, taking all the hospitality care there in a hospital. But we never seen that a single day, single moment that is happening, the Christians are converting anyone. So the statement given by Sunil was very, very wrong, and we condemn for that kind of statement.